Upbeat music plays. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning. That's right, folks. We're comparing the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop, the pet lover's best friend, against the REECOO Steam Mop, the budget-friendly cleaning wizard. So grab your mop bucket and your sense of humor, because this is going to be one slippery ride. Let's get ready to mop it up. First up, let's talk about the price. The Bissell comes in hot at $144. That's like buying a fancy dinner for two, only to realize you'll be scrubbing floors instead of enjoying dessert. Now, on the other side, we have the REECOO, priced at a jaw-dropping $69. That's cheaper than a pizza and probably less greasy too. So if you're looking to save some cash, REECOO is like finding a dollar bill in your pocket, unexpected and delightful. Next, let's talk power. The Bissell packs a punch with 1,500 watts of cleaning fury. It heats up in just 30 seconds, perfect for those spontaneous cleaning frenzies when the in-laws are coming over. Meanwhile, the REECOO, with its 1,200 watts, takes a slightly longer, but still respectable, 15 seconds to heat up. That's about the time it takes to say, "Oops, I spilled coffee on the floor." Reviewers say the Bissell is fantastic for deep cleaning, especially on stubborn old floors, while the REECOO is praised for its quick heat up and steam power, making it effective for various cleaning tasks. Now, let's get functional. The Bissell is a 2-in-1 steam mop, like having a Swiss Army knife for your floors. You can tackle pet messes both on the floor and above it. Meanwhile, the REECOO is a 10-in-1 steam cleaner. That's right, folks, it's like the Swiss Army knife's overachieving cousin. You can clean sofas, windows, and even baseboards. Reviewers appreciate the versatility of the REECOO for cleaning multiple rooms easily, while the Bissell is noted for its effectiveness in cleaning various surfaces without chemicals, which many users love. Moving on to capacity, the Bissell comes with 13 versatile tools. It's like a cleaning superhero squad. You'll be saying, "With great power comes great responsibility," while you scrub away. On the flip side, the REECOO has a 280 milliliters water tank that lasts about 20 minutes. So if you're planning a marathon cleaning session, you might want to fill it up a couple of times. But hey, it gives you a chance to take a break. Reviewers of the Bissell mention it makes cleaning easier and more enjoyable, while some REECOO users note the need for frequent refills, but they still appreciate its effectiveness for quick jobs. Overall, reviewers appreciate the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop for its effectiveness, versatility, and ability to clean without chemicals. Many users are very satisfied and recommend it for deep cleaning tasks, especially for pet owners. The REECOO Steam Mop is well-liked for its budget-friendly price and quick heat-up time, making it a solid choice for those looking for a versatile cleaning tool at a lower cost, although some users mention issues with cleaning the mop heads and durability. So which one should you pick? If you're a pet parent looking for a powerful cleaning companion and don't mind spending a bit more cash, the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and want a versatile cleaner that tackles more than just floors, the REECOO Steam Mop might just steal your heart and your dirt. Let us know in the comments which mop you'd take home. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more comparisons. Until next time, remember, clean floors are just a steam away.